Imagine a world where every single individual, regardless of their background, has an equal shot at success. A world where fairness and justice aren't just idealistic dreams, but a living, breathing reality. That's what social justice is all about. We live in an age of vast wealth, technological marvels, and endless possibilities. And yet, stark inequalities persist. Did you know, according to a report by Diversity for Social Impact in 2023, women in the G7 countries were still earning 13% less than their male counterparts? This is where the principles of social justice come in. It's about taking those disparities head-on, promoting fair distribution of wealth, opportunities, and privileges. It's about giving everyone, regardless of their race, gender, or socioeconomic status, a fair shot at life. So who holds the power to effect this change? It's not just the governments or the big organizations, but each one of us. We're talking about individuals like you and me, standing up against discrimination, educating ourselves and those around us, advocating for equality. Remember the hashtag Black Lives Matter campaign that swelled from a hashtag into a worldwide movement? Of course, organizations have their part to play. Corporate social responsibility initiatives, fair labor practices, and philanthropy are just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, companies that prioritize diversity were found to have financial returns 36% above their industry medians, according to Diversity for Social Impact. Profit and principles, it seems, can go hand in hand. And let's not forget the governments, the big guys with the power to enforce laws and regulations, institute social safety nets, and strive for the protection of the most vulnerable. But why do we strive for social justice? What's in it for us? Quite a lot, actually. Social justice promotes inclusive economic growth, greater social cohesion, improved health and well-being. A 2023 study even suggested that countries with greater social justice had a life expectancy that was, on average, 6 years longer. And yet, achieving social justice is not a walk in the park. We're talking about societal barriers, policy gaps, resistance to change. It's a tough journey, but remember, the benefits of a socially just society, greater economic prosperity, social cohesion, well-being for all, make it worthwhile. Now there's a question that pops up often. Does promoting social justice mean giving everyone the same thing? Here's the thing. Social justice isn't about making everyone the same, but ensuring everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed. And that, folks, might mean providing different resources or support to different individuals based on their specific needs and circumstances. As we look into the future, the call for social justice will only grow louder. The COVID-19 pandemic has laid bare the deep inequalities in our society, but has also sparked a global conversation about social justice. As younger generations step into leadership roles, their passion for social justice will influence everything from corporate practices to government policies. In this era, where technology reigns supreme, we have new tools to champion social justice. Imagine an ad that helps reduce bias in hiring, or social media platforms that amplify marginalized voices. Yes, the issues are complex, but the pursuit of social justice is a constant one. So let's go on this journey together. Let's build a world where everyone, regardless of who they are or where they come from, gets a fair shot at success. Because social justice isn't just a trend that will fade away. It's a pursuit that requires our ongoing commitment and action. Let's strive to create a more just and equitable world together.